Namaste students, in this video we will learn how to find the mean of any given data using step deviation method. As I said earlier, there are three methods to find the arithmetic mean, that is direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. First we'll see the formula to find the mean using direct method. The formula is x dash equals sum of fi xi by sum of fi. This is the formula to find using direct method. Next, assumed mean method. The formula is x dash equals a plus sum of fi di by sum of fi. Now we are going for step deviation method. So the step deviation method, the formula is x dash equals a plus sum of fi ui divided by sum of fi into h. This is the formula to find the mean using step deviation method. Yes, now come, let's start our sum. First I will write the formula here, step deviation method. So recall the formula, x dash equals a plus sum of fi ui by sum of fi into h. Now what are the columns we required is, first we need to find the xi column, that is the midpoint of the class interval. Next we need to find di. To find di, the formula is xi minus a, what we did in the previous method, that is assumed mean method. So next we need to find ui. The formula to find ui is di divided by h. Next, finally we require fi ui column. Now let us begin with the problem. So first xi, the class interval. The class interval means it is the midpoint of the class interval. That is 1 to 3, the midpoint is 2, 3 to 5, the midpoint is 4, 5 to 7, the midpoint is 6, 7 to 9, the midpoint is 8, 9 to 11, the midpoint is 10. After that we need to assume a number in the xi column and mark it as a, and now find di. The formula is xi minus a, already we have done in assumed mean method. Now 2 minus 6 is minus 4, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 6 minus 6 is 0, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 6 is 4. So till here we have seen in previous method. Now we need to find ui. The formula to find ui is di by h. H is the class size. Class size, to find the class size, upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is 3, lower limit is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2. The class size is 2. Okay, since it is a regular data, you can see here 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2. So the class size is 2. Here the value of h equals 2. Now we need to divide di by h, that is by 2. So this is the di column. If I divide this by 2, minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we got ui column. So next what we need to do? We need to multiply fi column with ui column. 2 2s are 4. So minus 4. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. 8 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 2 twos are 4. So now we need to add this column. So how much we will get? First add the negative numbers. We will be getting minus 9. Then add the positive numbers. We will get 7 plus 7. Now two different signs. Subtract this number, minus 2. So we got answer as minus 2 here, and the sum of fi column will be 20. So now start substituting in the formula. X dash equals a value is 6 plus sum of fi ui is minus 2 divided by sum of fi is 20 into value of h is 2. So x dash equals now 2 ones are 2 tens are, it will get cancelled. Next 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 6 plus into minus, minus we have 1 by 5. So take a decimal point and write 0 here. 5 2s are 10. So we got 0.2. 6 minus 0.2. So x dash equals 5.8 is the answer. Look at the another sum. So first write the formula for step deviation method. So the formula is x dash equals a plus sum of fi ui by sum of fi into h. So what are the columns we require now? First we required xi column, done. Next di, that is xi minus a. Next we need ui column, that is di divided by h, and finally we required fi ui column. Now start filling the table. First xi column, that midpoint of this class interval, that is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Next select a middle number or any number as an a, that is the assumed mean. Now xi minus a, 5 minus 25 minus 20, 15 minus 25 is minus 10, 25 minus 25 is 0, 35 minus 25 is plus 10, 45 minus 25 is plus 20. Here value of h, that is the class size is 10. Upper limit minus lower limit. 10 minus 0 is 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. 30 minus 20 is 10. So the value of h is 10. So you need to divide all this number by 10 and fill the UI column. Minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10 is minus 1. 0, 1, 2. Now we got the UI column. Now multiply F5 with UI. 4 into minus 2. 4 2 is 8. So minus 8. 9 into minus 1. Minus 9. 15 zeros are 0. 14 ones are 14. 8 twos are 16. Now add the minus numbers first and then add the positive numbers. So 9 plus 8 is, we will be getting minus 17, and here we will getting 30. Now two different sign is there. 30 minus 17. Do the subtraction. 10 minus 7 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So greater number is plus 13. Now substitute the values here. X dash equals, here we got 13 and sum of Fi is 50. Assumed mean is 25. 25 plus 13 divided by 50 into class size is 10. So we will be getting x dash equals 25 plus 10 ones are 10 5s are. We have 13 by 5. So x dash equals 25 plus 13 if we divide by 5. 5 2s are 10. 3 decimal point 0. 6 are 30. 2.6. If we add, the answer is 27.6 is the answer. In any method, if you solve either in direct method, assumed mean method, or step deviation method, the answer we obtained will be same. If the given data, given class interval and given frequency is same, then the answer, the mean obtained in all the three methods will be same. So this is the concept of finding the mean using all three different methods. If you have understood the concept, you know what to do it. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.